Damn the aquatic cemetery in the middle passage. Damn the most nasty fucker who shits on a room. Damn the fucker who won't squirt hot seed into a minx. Damn the most little death that comes as quick as a cold comes on. And damn is your deviant hissance. Just lying up and manure the fields. And damn the sabotage of blue stockings. The liquidation of ladies among pillows. And damn the sweet digestible turds of politicians. Damnable. Their jaws dripping loathing, their souls all broken up inside. And damn all those politicos who either stand on the Constitution, who either stand on the Constitution or who hide behind the Bible, who either stand on the Constitution or who hide behind the Bible. Damn all that's abnormally normal. And damn your cavalier genitalia, your brainstorming genitalia, and damn your cavalier caca odor in Parliament, and damn your tongue you cure with leper's lice, and damn your unimprovable vocabulary. Damn the most yellow fever, the Black Death. Damn the most prevaricating fornicator. Damn the most Republican as resolute as quicksand. Damn breath that reeks like the smell of wet paint. Damn all school picnic pedophiles and all fraudsters with delinquent accounts. Damn all juveniles who lack discipline. Break up the damn belt and use it. And damn executioners who like their prey. Cornered and castrated and killed. Like that dog, Caesar. And that canine, Richard III. Damn their slavery's pounded brats and freckled bastards. And damn all jolting, quaking, back-breaking bitches. And damn daylight that itches and burns like acid. And damn all insatiable, goblet-smashing widows. Damn poets who, lurking like end in a ditch, or whom like Rilke, end in a rose garden, or whom like Pound, end in a gondola, or whom like Yeats, end up a senator. Damn poets who like Yeats end up as a senator. Damnable is the insolent aseity of the poet Laureate. Damn is a semi-arousal due to Cecilia and Marcella. Damnable is the rat's tongue and the scorpion's jaw. Damnable are his sermons, impotent as grunts. Let him cough up black tar and green mucus. Unhealthy bits of hair dust, shit. His epic is more broken than most. He's uncomfortable with damnation, but not unfamiliar with the deed. His prominent exhaustion damns him. His overabundant laughter damns him. His somber whining is self-damning. Damn the prison of the poem. Damn the smoky penis's imprecise negritude. Damn the raving tunes of the insidious versifier. Damn the uninhibited exhibitionist poet. Damn luminous Venus false-faced muse. Damn the minor birds wheezing. Damn the poetaster setting language askew. Damn the tidal wave meter of mystics. Damn the epic jotted out of ink and bile. Damn the unprofitable mishmash of voices. Damn fresh songs with its black tatters. Damn every sullen phrase of my glittering voice. Damn every sullen phrase of my glittering voice. I know it's getting late. But in the autobiography of Malcolm X, and this is Black History Month, there's this little moment where Malcolm X mentions another minister in the Nation of Islam, which you've already heard about tonight, thanks to David Blakey. And I appreciate that reference. But Malcolm refers to another minister of the Nation of Islam whose name is Ulysses X. And I just love that, Ulysses X. So this is the Odyssey of Homer, as if it was led by Ulysses X. So it's the testament of Ulysses X. Destroy, crumbled into smoke, ash, stink. Debilitated are her gods, all in horizontal corpses now, and rock reeked from every field, every temple. Their armor extraordinarily is worthless as a chopped off arm. Their bronze, their brass is ludicrous as sunflowers landscaping a grave. No beauty alleviates this disaster, dwelt by Helen, diabolical Bella, that unmistakable amoral beauty. If only Menelaus had beaten his wife Helen like some dog, like the bitch she was born as. I think a gutter had been her alchemist's cauldron, that she abracadabra X-slime formed floozy to guilt show monarch. Then her betrayal could have been born, and thousands of brave sons, fathers, husbands allowed to plow and press anthologies of greats, pour out dramatic honey, and build on pied-à-terre, gushing wine and mead, not endure the chaotic tangle of wave and torch, the distemperate gravity of spears hooking out hearts or eyes. Nor smoke as gloomy as beige, nor cathedral crafted calligraphy, lettering premature obits, nor the turmoil of wounds, the exhaust of blood, nor arrowed ghosts, their chests bristling missiles, nor skid marks of toppling chariots, nor lightning, fate's graffiti tensing the atmosphere, but Helen turned out to be the slushy buttress of a pimp's bedroom. Now, Troy is a moon-singed hell. The cut-out crescent moon is a candlelit at fire. This light has an idiotic friendship with the dark, for it is more Tintorella than it is moonlight. It is curiously drab, but suitable as the somber shade, closing upon indignant fisticuffs that ground so many Greeks into this merciless foreign soil. This merciless foreign soil. The Trojans attacked tactlessly like a trove of homicidal suicides. They perished like cobweb snow, a glut in entangled, insidious parliamentary silence. An entangled, insidious parliamentary silence. Impatient to be bones and grand stakes springing up in the spring. Even their horses become monotonous sculptures, each one a doleful mirror of maggots, a rat's nest of snakes. I'll take to the silvery teetering waves, the sprinkled moonlight, the spelunk again, the consecrated cavity within my wedded wife, and forgive my prodigal panting with Kirka, abandon her gynecological nursery, men's torn out entrails visible, their gashed eyes decorating forks, if only if Kirk has a blood-filled Venus, a Mariny Venus, and I am her vinegary nigger, homeboy black imp, the backstabbing sailor, the avant-garde assassin, the Jack the Ripper Romeo, the bottom of the pile, nigger in the wood pile, who flashes all 32 teeth, even the molars, then sets my canines gnashing Kirka's drooling pussy until she quivers, gushes, squirts, then slumbers with her swine, and I can finally steal away, fugitive Negro, exit her oinking, ex-squealing mess hall.